Kia, activate seat heating.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Tell me a joke.
I am so sorry. I still didn't understand what was said.
Seat heating.
Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Hey Kia, open sunroof.
Open the sunroof.
Hey Kia, set the temperature to 19 degrees.
Setting the temperature to 19 degrees.